Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Now I want to do unboxing or review one of the product I bought from Ikea. It's called Besinning. Besinning, okay. Now let's see the Besinning. Uh, some of the pictures. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then this is the description. All right. The size that I bought is 30 cm. Product details. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then okay, so that's it. The if you like, I will now I will put the link below the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, so let's unboxing. So let's look into the product. This is it. Okay, this is the front. Ah. Okay, and look at the handle. Mm-hmm. 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 There you go. Ah. Okay. So. So this is the lid. Where's that? See. Okay. Okay. So a manual supposedly. Yeah, English. Okay. 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 So up. This inside. Okay. Look at this. So it's very tough and very nice looking. And this one at the back. You see. Okay, so that's it. That's the unboxing for Besinning from Ikea. I will leave the link below the video if you're interested. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.